Hi guys, in this video you know about how far can a 4 by 8 inch beam span without support. Here you have to find out the maximum span length for a 4 by 8 inch wood beam. Here you have given 4 by 8 wood beam, and you know that in cold region country like United States, UK, and other, the dimensional lumber are used in home construction as wooden frame structure. Wooden frame structure. And you know that the many species of wood are used as beam like SYP, Hemper, DF, or SPF. And there are several grade. Grade 1, grade 2 are used as beam and other structure. And first here we make a rough diagram to understand about the size of beam. Here we make a rough diagram to understand about the nominal and actual size of this beam. This one is the span length. You have to find out. This is the width section of beam, which is about 4 inches, and this one is the depth section of beam, which is about 8 inches. And what are the nominal size of this beam? Nominal size of this beam, nominal depth, that is 8 inches, and nominal width, that is 4 inches. And actual size, actual depth of this beam, 7 and 1 by 4 inches, and actual width of this beam is about 3.5 inches. This one is the nominal and actual size of wood beam. And the span of beam depends on many factors like building code in your area, deflection limit, that is L by 360, and the load consists of live load and dead load of a structure, which is about 125 pounds per linear foot. And the fourth one, that is design requirement. These are the factors which decide the maximum span of wood beam. But here we find out the maximum span for a 4 by 8 inch wood beam as per thumb rule. What are the thumb rule to calculate the maximum span of wood beam? Here the span length in feet is equal as nominal depth of the beam multiply 1.5. Here the nominal depth of the beam is 8 inches multiplied by 1.5. This equal 12 foot. It means a 4 by 8 inch wood beam can allow to maximum distance of 12 foot. And you know that the longer span causes sagging, and to prevent it, you should take higher depth of the beam. But actual span depends on this factor. Thank you.